Introducing the new 5th generation FREIGHTLINER Cascadia. Shaped by experience, defined by profitability, engineered with even greater efficiency, and equipped with next-level safety designed to get you home. Made for those who dream big. This generation and the next. Since it launched, the FREIGHTLINER Cascadia has improved cumulative fuel efficiency by over 35%, and the next generation Cascadia builds on its legacy with new form, tighter closures, and a focus on your bottom line. Extreme effort went into the smallest details. A bumper that cuts drag in front of the tires, a new seal to close the gap between the hood and bumper, improved wheel well closeouts around the tires, and improved A-pillar deflectors that guide airflow around the side windows. Small details that add up to the most aerodynamic Cascadia ever built. The FREIGHTLINER Cascadia's cab is available in a range of customizable configurations, and its features are designed and engineered so drivers feel at home on the road. Its parked HVAC system operates without running the engine, saving fuel and keeping your drivers comfortable. Added conveniences like more charging and USB-C ports and a panic alarm that can be triggered from the sleeper berth deliver comfort and security on the road. Because a more comfortable, well-rested driver is a safer, more productive driver. FREIGHTLINER's standard interactive touchscreen display puts a variety of features and settings at your fingertips. The 7-inch color display features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and satellite radio. Along with steering wheel controls and physical buttons, it helps drivers stay focused on the road. The FREIGHTLINER Cascadia is built with integrated business intelligence to give you peace of mind about the security and performance of your fleet. Insights are at your fingertips via the Detroit Connect portal. Monitor vehicle health and set parameters over the air. Geofence the operation of your assets, deploy software updates, and remotely lock or unlock your truck. Defended by enhanced cybersecurity to help protect from cyber attack, the security of your Cascadia and your business is at the core. Business intelligence tools offer valuable insights in real time, over time, and at any time, helping you identify issues, implement solutions, and stay ahead of the curve. The next generation FREIGHTLINER Cascadia delivers enhanced visibility on the road ahead. New dual-stage intelligent LED headlights with auto high beams provide enhanced safety and less eye strain in nighttime driving. And drivers can get on their way faster on cold winter mornings as integrated heating elements in the lenses are activated automatically to help clear ice and snow, or in humid environments, condensation. The factory-installed MirrorCam system for the FREIGHTLINER Cascadia gives drivers a greater level of visibility by displaying views along the sides on 3 high-resolution in-cab monitors. Active on-screen guidelines indicate where the trailer ends and key distances behind it for easier maneuvering in town or in traffic. Mounted above the doors and equipped with infrared technology and hydrophobic coating to repel water and other contaminants, MirrorCam gives drivers clearer sight at night and during inclement weather. And since the displays are placed inside the cab, it's all visible with less head turning, offering increased confidence with enhanced comfort. And when Lane Keep Assist is on and active, Detroit Assurance's Lane Keep Assist with Attentive Driver Protection System monitors driver attention with steering wheel input sensors. If the system senses no hands on the steering wheel for a prolonged period, Attentive Driver Protection can automatically initiate a process that keeps the Cascadia centered in its lane, slows the vehicle to a stop, and turns on the hazard lights, and alerts fleet managers of the situation via the Detroit Connect portal. In addition to being a comprehensive collision mitigation system, the Detroit Assurance suite of safety systems is also a powerful tool to make drivers more comfortable on the road. When your Freightliner Cascadia comes with Active Lane Assist 2, its electric power steering helps keep steering effort consistent across the entire range of speeds, so low-speed maneuvers are easier than ever. It also reduces vibration and can help compensate for crosswinds, so driving is more comfortable and less fatiguing. Detroit Assurance with Active Brake Assist 6 for the next generation Freightliner Cascadia employs all-new long-range radar, new short-range sensors, enhanced camera, and upgraded software for greater object detection. Together, the full Detroit Assurance suite of safety systems is designed as a complement to the driver, keeping your truck, your fleet, and your driver safer on the road ahead. The Freightliner Cascadia's all-new intelligent brake control system continuously monitors inputs to direct air to exactly where you need it, when you need it, resulting in comfort braking, a smoother and more confident braking experience. Drivers will instantly notice a difference, especially in sudden stops. Even pad wear extends brake life and saves money and downtime by allowing replacement of all pads at the same time. The intelligent brake control system also enables the standard electronic park brake that sets automatically, helping to prevent rollaways. Here's to those ready to break from convention.